I could do it, if 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 I could do it, I'll do it all, do it all. If I could do it, if I could do it, I'll do it all, and we'll have a ball. If I could do it, if I could do it, I'll do it all for one and all. If I could do it, if I could do it, I'll do it all. Yeah.
If I could do it all, I'll stop the sun shining, stop its blinding. But we all need it. So I put that thought behind me, I step into the light, feel the pride of life. Every man's entitled to a little peace. Even in this world of strife, I feel my heart beat and hear sounds of patting feet. Innocent kids that's filled with bliss, playing in the streets. And I wonder how long before reality puts a check to that, with a sting or two. Some will never get it back. If I could do it, I'll teach the world the truth's a bitter pill you have to swallow when healthy or ill, running or standing still. If I could, I'll go back and stop the BR for war. Go back in time to witness the demand miracle roar, to watch the Berlin Wall fall. Will be a ball, an experience to keep, cause memories of its essence still deep in the minds of families it's managed to keep apart like opposite ends of a street. No word, no deed. If I could, I'd change a lot for keeps, rewrite some history and bring to light all them deep dark mysteries of way back. I'll crush the Ku Klux Klan when it was just a plan in the brain of one man, strife with a rod of Moses in my hand.
If I could do it, if I could do it, I'll do it all.
I strike with a rod of Moses in my hand.
If I could do it, if I could do it, I'll do it all. Have a ball. If I could do it, if I could do it, I'll do it all for one and all. If I could do it, if I could do it, I'll do it all. Yeah.
News of war after war, jet fighters and battle tanks roar, topping the walls that toll some more nations fight for and gain independence, then start all over who will rule now that they're independent. And in the process, more chaos and killing that's thoughtless. Brothers are throats with the hope of controlling millions of naira notes that can buy your dog's soul. Talk less of that of sons and daughters whose blood's been gushing like river waters. If I could do it, I'll stop it. Every weapon, I'll chuck it into the ocean. Wipe every man's brain clean of evil emotions and thoughts, make them clear as babies and cards. Feel free to connect the dots. I would have gone back and stopped the colonial era in Africa. Crown Chaka the Zulu, rid the world of all voodoo, ethnic purging. Crush the Modakeke and Ife crisis. Keep everything stable, nothing like fluctuating prices. Make earth the nicest place for all to continue living. People caring, loving and sharing, taking as much as is given. Go back to the days when Adam and Eve strolled in Eden, when things was all good before the devil commenced his first deceiving act. Break his back, make the world hear the crack instead of smoking it. I'm serious, B. There ain't no joking it, B. But I can't do it all, man.
If I could do it, if I could do it, I'll do it all. Do it all. If I could do it, if I could do it, I'll do it all. And we'll have a ball. If I could do it, if I could do it, I'll do it all for one. If I could do it, if I could do it, I'll do it all. Yeah.
The only time that there can be absolute peace is when only one human inhabits the earth. But as long as there's more than one, there'll always be conflicts of ideas. Let's just try to be as good as possible to ourselves and the next man. Let's try. Ain't that hard to do?
I'll do it.
Peace.
I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. I'll do it all. Do it all. If I could do it, I could do it. I'll do it all. If I could do it, I could do it. I'll do it all. I would do. If I could do